Alright, in this video, it's time to announce the $100 prize giveaway. Celebrating 6,000 subscribers, thank you all for participating in this contest. The correct answer was 48. Once you solve the puzzle, you multiply the four corners together and the product was 48. There were 21 submissions that were correct, and hopefully you do see your name in this list, granted you submitted a correct answer. It's the first four letters of your email address to maintain confidentiality. Luckily we had no duplicates, so what I did is I took those 21 names, I copied them over into We'll Decide at we'lldecide.com, and now we will click to spin to see who the winner is. DEVA. If this is the first four letters of your email address, you will be getting an email from me very soon. And again, thank you all for tuning in each week or however often you watch my tutorials. And that's it for this video. I'll see you at the next tutorial.